Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Remain Usman Lawaliduko and I'm the CEO of Tech Mobile. Um, First of all, I would like to welcome all of you all back to today's edition on how to on a guide on guide on how to start up a lucrative phone accessory business. Um, in my last video, I talk about so many things, and I actually based on the on planning and also uh, making inquiry and also choosing uh, location to establish the phone accessory business. Well, today I want to thank all of you all here, and before I go further, I want us to reminisce back. If you look at the video I posted some few days ago in this channel, just go to the video. You will see the from the video. There's a comment on that video, and the comment was actually a question. One of my subscriber. I don't know if it's a subscriber, but if you are not, I think you should. It's a good opportunity for you to follow up my channel, so that because I'll be keeping this channel updated from now henceforth. So he asked a question concerning places where they can be able to buy phone accessory business, and I said in my next video I will have to work towards that question that the person put up on that video. So there are many places where you can buy your phone accessories. If you want to start up this business, there are many places where you can buy this accessory in wholesale here in Nigeria. Because I said the last time, you can buy it online. Yes, you can buy it online, but before you consider buying it online, you need to know your financial status. Yes, you need to know your financial status, because if you are establishing this business with the like of maybe 500,000 and below, 500,000 and below, I think it will be good if you buy it from dealers here in Nigeria. You need to just buy it from the dealers in Nigeria. Yes, because if you want to invest that money to buy it from maybe like from China, there are so many expenses that you might be able that you are going to, you know, waste, and maybe at the end of the day, what will even came to you, you will not even be able to recover um, uh, the money due to government tax and so on and so forth. But if you are buying it in a very large quantity, yes, I think it's best idea you buy it directly online. So I don't know if I get your answers right. So when you are talking of buying those accessories, there are many dealers who deals on that here in Nigeria. I don't know your location where you are asking the question from, but if you are living in places like the north, we have a lot of dealers in Kano. Like in the north, we have Kano. We have a lot of dealers in Kano. In Abuja, we also have dealers. But if you want to buy from Abuja, try to locate the dealers who their shop are situated at the outskirts of Abuja, because you can't say, let me go to places uh, like Jason Village in Zone 4, I think, or you want to go to Wuse Market, or you want to go to Barnes to go and buy a wholesale. The price you are going to get in this, even if the person is selling for wholesale, the price is going to give you there to be much. So you need to go to the outskirts of Abuja. When you go to outskirts, like we have places like Maraba. I don't know if you are living in Abuja, you have places like Maraba. Maraba is not Abuja, it's Nasarawa State, but it's just a few kilometers to Abuja. It's just a few minutes drive to Abuja. So we have Mararaba, we have Lehat Plaza. You can get many dealers there. Places like Kano, you can go to Sabongeri, you get a lot of dealers. Then, if you are living in Lagos, there are many dealers. You can very sincere one. I'm talking of very sincere one. All you have to do is to make your inquiry. You understand? Make your inquiry. And when you meet these dealers, try as much as possible to um, identify yourself with them. You understand? Try and identify yourself with them. You know, let them know that yes, you want to establish this business. So that is for the question the you put up on the video on my video I posted last time. So let's go back to how to build this business, especially here in Nigeria. There are some things I didn't talk about on my last video. Although I made mention of how lucrative business is, but there are also some factors you really need to put into place. And this thing is, in fact, is the most important among every other thing that you want to do. And that is what? Training. Yes, you need training. Everything you want to do in this life and you don't have idea about it, you need someone that actually has the idea to put you through. You need someone that has the idea on that very particular field to teach you how it is done. Because phone accessory business is just like every other business. You don't just because I have money, let me just go and invest my money on it. No, you need to go into apprenticeship. And the apprenticeship for phone accessory business is not, if you are committed, if you put commitment into it, you can round it up within a very short period of time. Yes, if you are very, very committed, you can round it up within a short period of time. So all you need is just to be committed on the learning that you want to, acquire. So by doing so, with short period of time, you will just pick up and you can go ahead and establish your own phone accessory business. So you need to be mentored. You need to be mentored. You need to be taught on names, on numbers, values, and so on and so forth. And when you want to learn phone accessory business, you need to know which type of phone accessory business you want to learn. There are many types of phone accessory business. Yes, there are many phone accessory business in the market. So you need to know which one am I going out there to learn on. Because if you go to so many GSM village, you will find out that some shop deal with different aspects of phone accessory. There are people that deals on battery. They don't sell any other thing apart from battery. That's what they just deal on. Maybe they might just attach it with few other things, but what they deal on is battery. There are people that deals on phone pass. That is, we are talking of the screen, the charging port, mouthpiece, in fact, things that has to do with phone hardware. Yes, there are people that deals on that. There are people that deals on pouch, cables, chargers, earpiece, Bluetooth AirPod, and so on and so forth. So you need to know which one you are going there to learn. I know generally when we say phone accessory, we are just talking about the pouch, the charger, and so on and so forth. So you need to know the aspect one that you want to learn. And let's say, okay, yes, you want to learn of the chargers, the pouch, the earpiece, the memory card, memory card, the every and so on and so forth. So it is very, very best that you get mentored on the business. And now let me move to another hint I want to give you guys. Let me even tell you guys one secret a lot of people don't know about phone accessory business. The secret is that phone accessory business is a kind of business that can never die as long as we are breathing in this world. It is a business that can never die because every day, every hour, every minute, and every moment, people buys mobile phones. People every day, people are buying mobile phones, and mobile phone companies are on daily basis producing either new brand or adding more. They are on the process of producing new brand or on the process of designing a new version. So because 2023 statistic from NBC shows that 222 million Nigerians are using mobile phones, and out of that 200 and I think 16 or so is active. When I say active, is active mobile user, which means in every 10 Nigerians you see on the road, at least 99.9 has a mobile phone. Yes, 9.9 has a mobile phone. So what does that tell you? That tells you that business of phone can never die as long as we keep breathing. I know that a lot of fashions, a lot of mobile phone designs are coming up, which I don't know, but I believe that maybe in the few years to come, in the few decades to come, we might not be using something like this as mobile phones. Yes, we might not be using something like this as mobile phone. There might be another way they might be designing it, because this was not on the existence 20 years ago. This mobile phone I'm holding here is not in existence. 20 years ago, just 20 years ago, this mobile phone you are seeing here is not in existence. But today, you can find this everywhere. New version will still come. Yes, definitely will come. A version will come that you don't need this like this. It might be a chip. It might be something that is stored in your finger. It might be something that you might just use your hand and draw and start pressing. So that is the revolution of technology. So mobile phone getting the access, getting the mentorship is very, very important if you really want to succeed in this business. So I will also love to talk about disadvantage, because every business you see has its own disadvantage. Even mobile phone has its own disadvantage. And one of the disadvantage of phone accessory business is that if you don't have a plan, if you don't have a proper plan, and if you don't have good management, honestly, you might fail, because you need to know how to manage. Yes. So that is it. I think I have to hold it on like this for today, and by next video I'm going to talk more. I'll keep saying it so that you can know why you should invest in mobile phone accessory business in Nigeria. Thank you very much for your time, and have a lovely night. Bye bye for now.